Good day ladies and gentlemen. Anthropic, the AI company with an estimated market value of $380 billion in February 2026, has recently published a study which maps out the jobs which AI is actively performing versus which it could potentially perform. So why is Anthropic's AI job replacement analysis misleading? The reason is that Anthropic's analysis is only based on large language models such as its Claude AI, while there are many other different types of AI. For example, agentic AI performs work autonomously, generative AI creates content, while predictive AI forecasts. In other words, Anthropic's analysis seriously underestimates the impact of AI on jobs. For example, Anthropic says that there is very low potential AI coverage in the transportation sector, but the current reality is totally different. China is rapidly deploying AI-driven public transport, with over 500 fully driverless robo-taxis in cities like Wuhan and Guangzhou. As such, Anthropic's analysis is very myopic, and AI can in fact potentially replace most types of jobs. At this juncture, Professor Ma would like to announce that after deep analysis, we have successfully found a job which AI will never be able to replace, which is that of the sex worker. In subsequent videos, Professor Ma will explain more aspects of life. In the meantime, please help by liking and by subscribing. Thank you.